start chapter number 3. This is chapter number 3. Monitors. This chapter related to all theory, no numericals. Okay, no numerical question, only theory. Monitors. So this is the definition of monitor from here to here. Monitor consists of, first of all, it will consist of procedure. Number 2, it will contain initialize sequence. Number 3, it contain local data. So the monitor, and if it contain procedure, initializing sequence and local data, then it is known as monitor. Monitor same like in Java, you can see data types, object. Okay, so this is the definition. Now characteristics, very important thing, chief characteristics. So there are talata different characteristics, 1 2 3. Number 1, the local data variable are accessible only by monitor procedure and not by any external procedure. Meaning is, like this is one monitor, this is one monitor in a, let's say here, procedure, in a local data, in a variables, okay, in a initializing sequence. So this procedure is only accessible by internal, wait, only accessible by internal variable, only accessible by internal variable, not by any external. So same this local data variable, yani the variable you defined in this monitor x, y, z. So these x, y, z will access the process, access the local data. But if from any external, let's say in a external monitor, he cannot access this procedure. So this is the meaning. Number 2, a process enters the monitor by invoking one of its procedure. Let's say if any procedure, you can see the diagram. This is the diagram. If any procedure want to enter, so it will enter with the help of any one procedure. In this diagram, this table, yani this box is a monitor, and here it is entrance. So from here any jadid process will dakhil. So let's say process dakhil, tani process in the intazar, yani queue. So when a process will dakhil, he will access the local data, he will access the conditional variable, okay, and here procedure wahid itne dalata arba up to k. So here it will run, it will use the data, it will use the variables, okay. So this is known as monitor. Next, condition number 3, characteristic number 3, only wahid process may be executing in a monitor at a time. Any other processor that has invoked the monitor are blocked waiting for monitor. Meaning is, in this monitor only one process will run. If another process is running, then that process lazim block or lazim intezar, yani wait. So here in the monitor only wahid process will run. So again the condition number 1, local data variable are accessible by only monitor processor. Condition number 2, process enter the monitor by using one of its processor. Condition number 3, only wahid process may execute in the monitor at wahid time. So these are the talata condition. A monitor supports synchronization by use of conditional variable. By use of conditional variable that are contained within the monitor. So these conditional variable are of ethane type. Number 1, C wait C. Number 2, C signal C. C wait C. C wait C yani any process, if any process P is running and if you to C wait, so this C wait will stop, or you can say suspend this process P on condition C. Again, if any process, let's say any process A, or you can say any process P talata is running, okay, and you uktub conditional variable C wait, then this C wait will stop this process on condition C. Tani, next C signal. Awwal, what is stop? Yani P talata stop. So if you to P signal, then P talata, which is Gadim, stop by C wait, now run, yani start executing. Okay, now tell me this thing. P talata P arba running and I uktub C wait C, then what will happen? Tell me. This is the question. Process number P talata, process number P arba is running and I uktub P wait C. Then what is the meaning? Any student? Any student? No one? If I uktub C wait meaning is this lazim wait. Yani stop. Now same after some time, if I uktub C signal, then if I uktub C signal, then the process will stop by C wait, now run. So what is the process? Who is awwal stop? Tell me. Awwal process stop yani P talata P arba. So which one run now? P talata run or P arba run? P4. Here Mohammed, here Sagir yani awwal process, awwal run. Okay, yani meaning is let's say P talata P arba. So in the intizar saf p talata awwal p arba tani next. So that's why awwal p talata will run, yani awwal dakhil awwal row. So here if C signal p talata will run, but then sometime p arba. So this is the thing. So in exam mumkin question like this, there are ithnain process p khamsa p8 and I uktub C wait. See what will happen, tell me any student. Any student open mic, tell me first. Maafi time. Process number P. If I uktub C wait, then what will happen?
Stop. C wait stop B5.
Lala hada P5 yani hada C signal maafi signal hada P wait C wait bus. C wait yani option A, option B. Option A kullu wait, kullu run. Option D P khamsa run. Option C P8 run. Then what is the answer? Yes, P5, P7, P8 are the talata 3 process, and I uktub CWAIT. Then what is the answer? Option A all intizar, option B all run, option D P khamsa run, option C P8 run. What is the answer?
D. P5
D.
run.
La. Answer is A. C wait. C wait. If I uktub anywhere C wait, yani this kullu stop. So that's why all wait. Tani, same thing. Understand or not?
Yes, understand.
P talata, P arba, P khamsa. Talata process मौजूद. I uktub C wait. What will happen? Tell me.
All wait.
3. Yes, kullu wait. This is the answer. Hina wait, yani wait. Okay, next. Yani tani question. P khamsa, P7, P8 talata process. Awwal I uktub C wait. If I uktub C wait, then kullu intizar. Baden sam dagiga I uktub C signal. Then what will happen? Tell me. Understand question? There are talata process P khamsa, P7, P8. I uktub C wait. If I uktub C wait, then kullu process lazim in yani stop yani intizar. Baden samdagiga I uktub C signal. Then when I uktub C signal, then what is the answer?
Run.
Yes, run. But lazim wahid run bas. Maafi kullu run. So which one run?
B4. B5.
Yes, P5 run. Hada answer. Okay, like this question in exam. Okay, this is the any definition. This diagram. This is the diagram of monitor. Hina shuf C wait, hina shuf C wait, hina C signal, procedure local variable. I told you monitor contain variable, procedure, local data. So this is monitor. Hada condition. Okay. Mumkin in exam question uktub the diagram for monitor. So hada diagram. Kabir question talata marks. Now tell me, hada not full. NOTFULL. What is the meaning not full? Muhammad, what is the meaning not full? तुर्की
Like
नसीब
not complete.
not full यानी not copy
Not complete.
not यानी full वला माफी full
ما في فل
No,
دكتور.
no.
not full okay यानी not यानी there is fee space मौजूद space available यानी you can दाखिल वाहिद element यानी you can दाखिल the element यानी let's say हदा इंतजार सर्फ हदा इंतजार सर्फ in the intizar surf hada if I uktub not full then meaning you can dakhil element wala maafi
Yes,
yes we can enter
Yes.
the element in the queue okay if I uktub not empty then what is the meaning Khalid Muhammad Sadiq Al Sam Khalid
Yes, yes,
where
دكتور. Hello.
yes Muhammad okay yes Khalid
Yes,
Murad
yes.
Yahya. Okay, so Al Hassan, Ali Hassan, Utam, Uthman, Ali Yahya,
Yes,
Ab,
doctor.
Uthman,
No.
Abdullah Ali Yahya.
Yes.
Okay, so hada jadi topic message passing. So in message passing, what you will send? Yani if you want to send message to me, what you will do?
System engineer. Again.
If you want to send message to the Daktur,
Okay.
what you want यानी लाजिम अव्वल जवाल नंबर ऑफ दक्तूर यानी RECEIVER receiver phone number this is number 1 सा वला ला?
Yes, sir.
okay next you will send message when you send message then the Daktur will receive so these are the itne in condition you will send what you will send message where you will send message destination yani daktur jawal number other destination receive yani daktur will receive the message from where from source yani from Ali Abdullah Yahya jawal number this is the source and this is your message
Okay.
understand now understand Muhammad now
Yes.
Abdullah Yahya if I uktub destination message
Destination.
receive source if I will ask you here in this where the Jawal number tell me
Yes.
here
1 or 2? 1.
no meaning is other send destination message other receive source message you are
Okay.
sending message to me yani to the Daktur so where is Daktur Jawal number
Other 2.
hina
Yes.
okay but hina source wala message
Yes.
okay now tani question if you want to send message to the Daktur so where message
I send.
yes you
To the
send
source.
one message to me
Okay.
so where is the message When Dr. receive the message, where is the message?
one.
هذا one message you اكتب. هذا message دكتور شوف.
ايوه شوف معلوم.
Okay. Okay, Mohammed, this finish. Tani. Okay, Abdullah Yaya finish. Ahmad Abdali. Ahmad Abdullah. Ahmad. Mafi. Saleh Muhammad Salman Ghazwani.
Yes, yes.
Saleh.
Ahmed Abdullah, go ahead.
Okay, Ahmad Abdullah. Okay, now tell me number 1, number 2, number 3. Blocking send, blocking receive yani ऐश. Blocking मालूम?
Blocking.
Blocking هذا blocking yani माफी.
And remove. Message.
माफी remove yani माफी block meaning is you cannot do it.
Yes, yes.
So blocking send, blocking receive meaning ऐश. Yes, speak, no problem. Khata, no problem.
Cut.
Cut send.
Yes.
Blocking send, blocking receive yani meaning is blocking yani माफी send, माफी receive yani you cannot send message, yani you will माफी send message, माफी receive message. This is number 1. Okay, tell me number 2. Tell me number 2.
Blocking. Yes, sir.
Non-blocking send, blocking receive. What is the meaning?
Non-blocking. You can send.
Yani hina you can send the message but maafi receive.
Yes.
Number 3.
You cannot send.
Hmm.
You cannot receive.
Yes. Okay, finish. Close mic. So number 1, number 2, number 3. So number 1 is maafi send, maafi receive. Number 2, fee send but maafi receive. Number 3, maafi send, fee send, fee receive. So these are the 3 combination, talata combination of blocking and non-blocking.